We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
It won't explode, more like spark and/or melt down. Microwave ovens convert a large amount of electricity into magnetic waves. With food in the oven, the waves are absorbed. The magnetron is the most important piece, so breaking it will cause the microwave to be ruined.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.